Hello friends, welcome back to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. In today's video, I will be participating in the Chic for Cheap DIY challenge hosted by Christi Creates and co-hosted by Kristin from Kristin Kay. Alright, so before we start this tutorial, let me tell you that I have created a crate out of cardboard for this DIY challenge, and I've bought virtually no supplies from any store for this project. The crate is going to have a base foundation on four corners and the sides. I've cut over 20 long strips of single corrugate cardboard of 2 centimeters width. I'm going to hot glue 2 such strips to give it additional strength and repeat the process on all these strips. There will be 4 strips on each side. These smaller strips are the foundation for the four corners. They will be hot glued in an L shape on this base. So this is what I meant by the L shape. That's how I'm going to glue them. First I'm going to glue 2 of them together in an L shape, and then I'm going to hot glue them on the base. But I will make sure that there's a little space there at the edge so that the longer strips can also be added. And now the foundation is ready. Now I'm going to hot glue the longer sides first, from edge to edge, and then the shorter ones. And now with that, our crate is ready. So now at this stage, you can decide how you'd like to dress it up. Maybe embellish it or paint it, or maybe paint it and then embellish it, or decoupage it, or drape it with some fabric or some ribbons. There are endless options actually. What I've preferred to do is to paint it and distress it a little. That's it. This is my first coat with white acrylic paint, and then I'll be giving it a second coat with light with light gray acrylic paint. Now generally I would use Tim Holtz distress ink to be able to distress my projects, but this time I'm using this tincture. So once the paint had dried, I made 2 holes on the shorter opposite sides of the crate, inserted these jute ropes and tied a knot like so. And with that, our crate is ready, and it's ready to carry its fancy load as well. So tell me, how did you like this tutorial and how did you like the crate? So before you leave, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for visiting me today. Be safe and make wise choices.